So then what advice do you have for people who are just setting up a business or entrepreneurs who are looking to get into digital advertising?
To get into digital advertising or for their companies?
For their companies.
That's a great question. So the book is primarily for executives or larger companies to make sure that they are being given good services by their agency or they're doing good digital in-house. But this book is also for the small business owner and or the entrepreneur whose jobs it is not to be digital marketers. The things that are important to do, even for a brand new startup who has maybe a little bit of funding or truckloads of VC capital. These things, those four things that I mentioned, those core four, those are still things that agnostic of the type of startup. Again, a SaaS company or a new services business. Those four things, especially because you can do them without an agency and they're pretty inexpensive. And certainly for startups, that's a big deal. Capital is limited and every dollar counts. And so not only are these things fairly easy, number one, number two, you probably can't afford an agency yet, probably. And so anything you can do in-house that's not that hard, it's very profitable, that's why it's phenomenal. So yes, those core four tactics are super important for giant companies to make sure they're doing perfectly before they get to more advanced stuff. But those core four things, certainly for startups, that's maybe for the first year you don't have to do anything more from a marketing standpoint, which is fantastic.